So what are the best ways to slow aging? Let me tell you a few ways that we can do it.
Here, the speaker introduces the concept of anti-aging, setting the stage for a discussion on practical methods that may contribute to longevity and health. This statement invites listeners to consider specific lifestyle changes that could slow down the effects of aging on their bodies. By addressing the question directly, the speaker aims to emphasize the importance and relevance of this topic to a wide audience, many of whom are likely seeking effective ways to feel and look younger as they age.
So it has not escaped my attention that this is Ramadan. We're in Ramadan right now, and the practice of fasting, I've been telling most of the world that it is one of the best ways to slow aging.
The mention of Ramadan highlights a practice shared by millions globally, fasting, which is now being examined scientifically for its potential health benefits. Ramadan's fasting is not only spiritual but could also offer physical advantages. And by aligning this ancient practice with modern research, the speaker underscores fasting's relevance beyond tradition. Additionally, mentioning that they have been telling most of the world suggests the speaker's conviction and experience in advocating for fasting as a means of promoting health and longevity.
Just think how many of you feel better after a month of fasting.
This rhetorical question serves as a reminder for listeners who have fasted before to recall the sense of physical and mental refreshment often experienced afterward. By prompting the audience to think about their own positive experiences, the speaker creates a personal connection and reinforces the idea that fasting may contribute to well-being in a way that many can directly relate to.
The reason is, it's not just that perhaps you lost weight, it's because you've turned on your body's defenses against aging. Your bodies fight aging when you fast and when you do these things that I'll tell you about.
The speaker here reveals a key insight. Fasting has benefits beyond weight loss. By triggering certain protective mechanisms in the body, fasting promotes cellular defenses, effectively making the body more resilient. This deep cellular response to fasting indicates that it's not merely a superficial or short-term benefit. Instead, fasting may prompt a biological shift that bolsters the body against age-related damage, setting the stage for the additional techniques the speaker will soon introduce.
The other thing that we discovered in my lab is that plants make chemicals that turn on the body's defenses against aging, just like fasting does. They turn on the NAD production.
In this line, the speaker bridges fasting with the natural chemistry of plants, explaining that plant-derived compounds can activate similar protective responses in the body. The term discovered in my lab lends scientific credibility, indicating that the speaker has direct experience and research background in this area. The comparison between fasting and plant chemicals suggests that multiple sources can stimulate the body's anti-aging pathways, giving people options for incorporating these benefits through diet as well.
And they also turn on the SORT1 protection, and they stabilize the epigenome.
The SORT1 protection and epigenome stabilization refer to the activation of certain genetic pathways that support cellular health and longevity. Sirtuins, or longevity genes, often associated with SIRT1, are proteins that regulate important metabolic processes and protect cells from stress. Epigenome stabilization refers to the maintenance of genetic expression patterns, which is crucial because aging can disrupt these patterns, leading to cellular decline. Together, these processes help protect cells from age-related damage, promoting healthier aging.
Plants, when they are stressed, make xenohermetic molecules. And you can find these molecules, for example, in olive oil and in very colorful vegetables.
Here, the speaker introduces xenohermetic molecules, compounds produced by plants under stress, which, when consumed, may provide health benefits for humans. These molecules serve as a plant's natural defense mechanism, helping it adapt to adversity. In humans, they may mimic similar stress responses, activating protective systems in the body that support longevity. The speaker mentions olive oil and colorful vegetables as examples, suggesting that these foods are particularly rich in these beneficial molecules.
When plants experience trouble, adversity, they make these survival molecules that when we eat them, we sense that there's a danger and our bodies fight against aging and disease.
This line suggests a fascinating concept. Consuming plants that have experienced stress can signal our bodies to prepare for adversity, thus training them to resist aging and illness. These survival molecules essentially act as a biological warning system, activating resilience in the body. This idea that plant adversity can be translated into human health benefits showcases how deeply interconnected the environment and human biology are.
So here's one other take-home lesson. You want to put your body in adversity mode. Not too much, you don't want to hurt yourself, but today's lifestyle is too easy, right?
The speaker emphasizes the importance of controlled adversity, meaning that exposing the body to mild stress can be beneficial without causing harm. This stands in contrast to the comfortable, low-effort lifestyle many people lead today, which may leave the body unchallenged and therefore less resilient. The statement encourages people to reconsider their lifestyle habits and suggests that incorporating small challenges can actually strengthen the body over time.
Even our suitcases have wheels on them. This is a problem because it tells our body, don't bother fighting aging. Everything's great. Lots of food. You don't need to run. It's all good. We don't even experience a lot of temperature changes anymore.
This line highlights how convenience and comfort can reduce the body's natural resilience. For instance, relying on wheels to carry bags or living in climate-controlled environments prevents the body from experiencing the physical stressors that might otherwise stimulate protective processes. By staying within comfort zones, the speaker argues that people miss out on opportunities to activate anti-aging mechanisms.
So we need to go back to how we used to live. So what I recommend is not to eat 3 big meals a day because the body gets used to it, thinks that it doesn't need to survive. Exercise and stretch.
The speaker advocates for smaller, irregular meals and regular physical activity, mimicking the less predictable lifestyle of earlier times when food and comfort weren't always readily available. This unpredictability might help to activate survival responses within the body, as opposed to constant, predictable feeding and rest. Exercise and stretching are also emphasized, both of which promote circulation, flexibility, and resilience, aiding the body in maintaining youthful functions.
The reason exercise works is because it makes the body fight against aging. It turns on these protective SIRT1 longevity genes. And 3 bouts or 3
Exercise is explained as a powerful anti-aging tool because it stimulates sirtuins and other genes involved in longevity. Physical activity stresses the body in a beneficial way, activating protective mechanisms that combat cellular aging and promote repair. These sirtuin longevity genes help enhance cellular function and repair mechanisms, effectively making the body more robust against age-related decline.
You're blind. You're blind. We cannot drive a car without a dashboard. We cannot drive a car with our eyes closed. So why do we practice medicine this way? It makes no sense. And so by measuring myself, I've been able to optimize my own body, which I'll show you in a minute.
The speaker compares health management to driving, emphasizing that just as a car needs a dashboard for safe operation, people need regular health assessments to effectively manage their bodies. This analogy suggests that staying informed about one's health metrics is crucial for longevity, allowing for proactive adjustments based on data. The speaker's personal practice of self-monitoring implies that regularly tracking one's health can help tailor interventions to optimize well-being and delay aging. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.